Bruh. So, I wanted pizza. So, I went and got pizza. My fat butt saw red velvet cake. I'm like, it's that big. And it's that nice looking. Gotta be good. Of course. When I work somewhere and I ask somebody something good, I tell the truth. And if I ain't tried it, I'm gonna let you know. If other people get it out of time, I'll let you know. But when I tell you that this icing is not made out of cream cheese, this tastes like a red cake with icing. I'm so disappointed because this cake was $4.
It tastes like a cake that's just red food color.
It tastes like cake that's red with red food coloring, and this icing does not have a lick of cream cheese in it. Definitely not what I was going for. Like, this is not red velvet cake. It looks like it, but it's not. But I gotta eat it because I bought it, and I'm so pissed off. I hope this girl can see me because I'm very disappointed.
What girl?
The girl who sold me this bullshit. Oops. I said I was gonna wash my mouth. Bruh. These saltiness, I should just went there for what I came for. But I'm gonna show y'all my pizza. I should do a mukbang. Look at my.
Let me see it.
Look at my pizza.
I can't see it.
Doesn't it look delicious?
I see it. Bro, so big.
Oh my god. I know
They
she
told
told me
pizza be
6.
red.
This is mine. She said it came with 6 slices. I ain't ate yet. Not food. It's something in my nail. Or it's this stuff in my nail. From this. Bro, it's cheesy. Okay, so it's literally like only 2 Broadway pizzas in Memphis. We don't have one in Mississippi that I know of. And they killing best pizza in town, baby.
And Lost Pizza Co. And
No, Lost Pizza Co.
they ain't big Pizza Hut. I'm sorry.
Yes, they are. Pizza Hut is disgusting. I don't really like Pizza Hut.
Sorry, I can't trade them.
They beat Pizza Hut.
Baby,
They blew Pizza Hut out the gate.
yeah, Pizza
I'm
Hut
sorry,
shouldn't even
y'all.
be up in the way, baby.
Honey, you can shut up.
It's
Stop
really
talking about
versus
them.
them, and Best Pizza Town, really. Because there ain't no other pizza like that.
Best Pizza in Town totally lost. They always love to burn somebody's pizza.
But they pizza, they pizza
They barely
still
put
good,
cheese
though.
and they stingy with me. Yeah, it's good, but it's not
Both
as
of them
good as
pizzas
Broadway
good,
pizza.
but Broadway pizza is better. This Broadway pizza is not like the other one. The other one is better. This one not better. But this one is good too.
Cool, what nobody saying. My pizza was good.
I should have got some napkins.
Look at her.
Look at God. Whole roll paper towel. What?
Like what happened? Say what's funny? I think she doing something funny. Is there a baby in that car?
Bro, people really do be leaving their kids in the car. Like,
But she had looked at me. She had looked at me right here.
these peppers and olives. She asked me did I want these, and I said,
Yes, she did.
I just
What is it? Turn the olives or pepperoni?
peppers and olives.
Yeah. I don't know
Like,
why.
when she come out of this, her.
No, she go buy it.
Bruh, I literally was biting it so I could squeeze the juice on my freaking.
Pizza.
Yeah, but the juice got on me. I don't even know where. I just saw it come down.
Okay.
So, what is still? I don't know. I don't really like hot stuff like that. But
Okay, y'all leave that in the comment section. Where's y'all dream car?
Leave me in the comment section. What is your dream car? And also, just comment like
My 2 cars that I want is a Jeep.
Yeah, a Jeep and probably a Lambo.
ooh.
No, I want a Jeep and a Porsche.
Alright.
Because them Porsche looks nice.
Ooh, Jeeps. I honestly think you should make everybody want a Jeep.
What you say?
I said I think you should make everybody want a Jeep.
You want the show?
Yeah, Brandy. Oh my goodness.
I know.
They need to put all these old shows back on TV. This girl said, I don't know who won't eat you.
Yeah, because I'm just trying to listen.
Is that the
They in
one?
another
East
generation.
J to the east to the east to the.
That's y'all generation.
They must no
Jada
was
and
an
Jay,
OG.
whatever. I can't even think of her name. I just know
They
they
must
twins,
was
the
a
Johnson
two-door
twins.
Jeep because they didn't have to be no new Jeep on their old show. They couldn't have been.
Oh, to the east to the.
You should touch his side.
Yeah, I see him staring at me. I want to turn the camera on him,
He blocked.
but I ain't gonna do it.
This nigga really is recording.
They probably saw him.
Oh goodness, but that green hair in her head is cute.
Ooh,
That
I
part.
love gray hair.
I said green.
This color I'm getting my hair is yellow.
I want yellow.
Again, I'm getting
No,
orange.
did I say yellow or
These
orange
people
or
have the
green?
slices.
I think
You
I'm
said
I'm gonna eat
green.
this later.
I said green. Yeah, I'm
I
getting
might
yellow.
got that.
For sure. Yeah.
But I want to give me some green boxberry. Is it good, sir? How much it cost?
Too much. It would have been only $10, but I bought that doggone cake that I don't want. I don't want the cake. I want to throw it out the window. I wanted to take it back in there when I took the first bite. Dang, how you gonna pull in here like you don't think that people are trying to come out?
Look at that Jeep. That's not a Jeep.
I don't want that.
Y'all need to learn how to drive.
I want a Jeep that's
I don't
gonna
know how
sit
people get people's
How?
licenses, but y'all need to know how to drive. Be more aware of y'all surroundings. Like,
I know that's not his car. He got a whole red pom-pom ball. I know that's not his car.
when I'm driving, I won't say that I drive crazy, but
Guy's cars are
Me,
not even bad.
I just won't let any and everybody
I'm talking about the
over.
one over here.
Put it that way.
That one not even bad. Trini, look, would you get a Dodge? That one.
you too big for me. What did it say? Dodge Challenger? Or
Avenger.
Dodge Avenger?
This too big.
I can't
for
see
you.
the beginning. I can only see the end. I just see
Did you
the
say
Avenger.
that's too
Yeah, I
big
see
for
it.
you?
Yeah.
How? You just want to ride in a rental car your whole
I
life.
do. I don't like
You
that
want
body
this?
type car. I actually would like that. That's cute. That's what you was laughing at the top for. How she at?
No, I'm laughing at her face
She
especially
did.
because I was looking at her.
So I was looking at her crying. She did it back to show y'all like this.
I can't get over them.
Look at you with two puppies in the car.
How nasty
It's two puppies.
that cake is. And my mouth was watering for that cake.
I want a husky. That's what I want.
Where the puppies at? I think
No, I
that
ain't
puppy
talking
see
much.
me.
Yo.
I'm gonna give me when I get older. I'm gonna give me a
I hope this
husky,
lighting not bad.
a husky, and I'm gonna give me a German Shepherd. Watch.
I'm not well. Charlie, what's that dog Tay and Jazz had before?
I'm not ready for it.
Oh, what could do with the pig?
It's so thick.
Oh, that puppy's so cute.
I would have been a food to eat a medium. This piece of turkey. And I don't even think best piece in town smile this big.
It is. It's so hard. I feel like
I should have asked them. Yeah, I think it is 6, 9, and 12.
No, they're 6'6".
They got a 12. They got a
They got
They're
16.
16.
Yeah,
They got like an extra large or something.
yeah, they got 16.
They extra large is big, but it's not bigger than.
I know I
The
asked
thing
how
about
much it
Broadway
feed.
is they cut their slices bigger, and it's more of everything on there. It's less sauce, which is a good thing because I don't be liking all this
Them
sauce.
corner pieces be the best part. Like the corner in the middle.
Them middle
She said that one got 6 slices, one has 12 slices.
And
one got 20 something.
Hold on, one got 6 slices, one got 12 slices, and the other one got
20.
It's
I
like
can't
a
really
lot
remember. She just
because,
told me. So
when we get a big piece of me and Mama and Mike, we can't even eat all this. It's a lot of
Yeah, we be
because
having
with Broadway, you really get full off like 2 slices.
yeah, I'm almost full, like, cause they put so much cheese
we
in
be
meat.
around 4.
I want to eat. I'm gonna eat it though.
Them
Like
folks
today.
just came back.
So
No, them different.
have y'all got y'all keychain yet from Wendy's?
No.
I don't know if you can see this, but you get the keychain. It's $2, and you get a free Junior Frosty with every purchase from now throughout the entire 2019. From my knowledge, I think they've been doing this since 2015, and I think the keychains used to be $1. Cause I know that I've had one before, but the last one I got, I think it was in 2015.
She's trying to play with that lady.
Hold on, she ignoring her. I think that car cute.
I need some tissue.
Cool. Next time I want something extra that wasn't in my original plan, I'm not gonna get it. Cause it never worked out for me. Guess what? This came in handy.
What?
My toothpick.
Where your toothpick was it?
In my pocket. I had it from
This
this morning. Kinda a little bit right now. But I think this all I'm gonna save the rest for later. This is so good.
Where we finna go?
Gotta go do something.
Mm.
She's singing loud. Let's go
Take care of these layaways.
Trip too hard, those that too close.
Get your
I
stuff
need to
out of
make my
layaway.
intro because now that we got a card, me and Mike can take turns vlogging.
I need to make me a fire intro. But I said I was gonna start like saying what's up TT gang. That's how I call my channel, T gang. Cause I can't think of nothing that I really like. Honestly.
I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to take today.
What am I trying to?
Because the name's already taken.
Who is it?
Trail.
Can't a lot of people have different games?
You gotta have something different.
Like, okay.
I do my Maya popsicles.
At first, I had T-Fam,
You're
but
like,
I seen somebody who did that.
But
and
just
I was
cause somebody
You
else
can
got
put
their
in my
name,
cable.
that don't mean that you copying off of them though.
Y'all messed up on my cable. You can hear me, man.
She said, I don't even want to put the camera over there, but it's an extended truck right here. She trying to yell at these people through the
Trip too hard.
I'm down here trying to-
Dang, did he even cut the car off? He just fell.
She was yelling at these Xfinity people because they messed up. They did mess up our cable.
But
and
I'm not saying that. I'm
Wi-Fi
saying it like,
and, security stuff.
Troy, you look like you breaking out on your face. You are
I
breaking
know
out.
I am. My forehead.
No, over here.
You don't look bad though.
Yeah, all right here. Maybe it's because my face is too dry. Feel on my forehead.
I know. I've been seeing that. You been breaking out for a while. Cause the other day I was like, why Trey got both of them for it? I'm like, hey, she know it. But today, you was just like this, and it's all over your face.
Y'all need to be courteous drivers. Because when you trying to get over and when you trying to get out, you want somebody that you over. So stop being mean. Stop driving crazy.
No, it's not just that, because like I told you the other day, if somebody want to be that type of driver where they just run all the way up there thinking they finna get somewhere, you not finna get nowhere, because I'm not finna let you over, because you should have rolled all the way up there. Now it's different if you standing right there and you trying to get out, but if you ride your buddy all the way up there, you sit in this traffic, you not getting
like
over.
the road.
That's your fault, because you could
Did
have sat
this
down.
dude just
Ain't
go
nobody
through
going
there
nowhere.
to turn back around?
Nah, that's a different truck.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
he hit the top.
That ain't going
He hit
nowhere.
he tall, huh? It's 50 must be down there.
That must be
Go
around the
FOMO.
corner on lunch.
I'm just playing.
That was on lunch.
Yeah, so
He
if
probably
you
like,
just
"There go my coworker right
if you
there,
do
bro."
something wrong while you driving, and
He just walked over there and then he just brought his butt over here to park.
Who?
Dude, that's just parked beside us. I hope he finna get some food because he's ugly. I don't know what kind of ugly, but he was looking all up in here. I'm finna go. I just saw him come out of there.
Like what?
I was like, yeah.
Cause you weird, you staring at people. Stop staring at people. Stop staring at people.
He's gone.
I'm telling him, if you watching this, don't stare at people. That's rude.
I hate when folks stare at me, and then like when we be
So
up
you
in
on
the
Jeep
store,
like this tall?
like when we be up in the store, these folks be staring at me, and I just be like, "What y'all staring at me for?" They like, "Be quiet."
I
No,
can hear the
because
radio
they
cutting
sit up
that
and staring at
off.
me, so obviously they want something. This lady up in Fish was like, she was just looking at me. I was like, "Hey." Just staring all over
I don't hear the radio.
I just heard medicine.
Maybe
Now
you
where
can
did
take
this
some.
man come from?
Exactly.
He ain't been up there. He ain't.
I need to go ahead and go.
He shot.
He just got
I
up.
don't need to laugh. He was right
Please.
there.
I mean,
He
cause
was
we
right
finna go.
He just got out, parked his car, and walked over.
Probably did. 'Cause
Probably
I ain't
did,
listening.
because
He
he-
turned right back on around too.
Ooh, what kind of Mercedes
See,
is
they
that?
don't be want no food. They be want money.
Yeah.
I be like, her, you want a slice of pizza? Or
Cause
you
I
can have the rest of this
I remember
pizza.
Mama did
They
that.
don't
We
be
had
wanting
the
it. They be
little
wanting
Caesar's
food.
pizzas, and you know that
I mean
little,
money.
that little light where you be coming up from South Haven to go to Mama's house
Yep.
on the expressway, and them folks I always sit right there with this lady. Mama asked her, did she want a pizza? She was like, no. She don't want no pizza. She wants some money.
Cause they be trying to feed drug habits and stuff. Or whatever. Whatever they be trying to do.
I sure want me a Range Rover too.
But
Yup.
that's the car I always said I
Shake,
wanted.
shake, shake, shake. Yeah, I think it's finished.
I want from there.
There's another car right here. Another
I want to
Xfinity.
throw this freaking pizza. I mean, this freaking cake, y'all.
Give it to me. Let me taste it.
But I always talk about
Does it
having
taste like
a Porsche,
chocolate
like,
cake?
they be looking
I
so-
don't know what it tastes like. You have to see for yourself. I don't like.
She like it. She
Then talking about some emo cake.
No, I
but-
really don't like.
Okay, so that was our mukbang.
It smells like chocolate cake.
Eat it, baby. If you want it, eat it. Mukbang. I don't know. People.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Ain't no
Mukbanging.
mukbang.
Mukbang.
Ain't
Mukbanging. Y'all know that.
Yummy bite.
Yeah, yummy bite. I was like, okay,
Look at
girl.
that.
I like your little jingle. Mukbang. Mukbanging. But,
Hey, hang it.
What's
I
up, Mimi?
unsubscribed though, cause
I don't watch it like that.
and then I had subscribed to Casey Connection, but then I unsubscribed.
Casey
too.
Connections, her so crab be looking good. Yeah, I think it's the way she set
She
up in her
seasoned
thumbnail.
it.
Did you watch
Or
She
no.
Glam TV?
Who?
She Glam TV.
She glam.
That's who. Now her king crabs was her food be
muscles be
seasoned.
good.
Man, her food be
I
seasoned.
don't pay attention to her.
She
food.
Glam
I just be
TV,
paying
yeah.
Now,
attention.
say if that was a work right now, that
Yeah.
car is gone.
Her
That car is gone.
her food be looking so good. It's so seasoned.
The cake is good.
Oh, I didn't even know I had the coffee
I don't
because
like-
I
The icing.
You can't.
But anyway, all right. See y'all later. Like, comment, subscribe. scrubs.
I want some mustard.
Subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you can see when I post another video. Leave comments. We love comments. I like to and I want to interact with you all.
I will be in the comments putting my name down below.
That pizza was bomb. But I'll say the rest for later because I'm borderline full. About to go handle some business.
Did you
Catch
just
y'all
try to
later.
rhyme?
I did, but I failed.
Yeah, I know.
It's a fail, but it don't matter. Catch y'all later. So my sister said TT game is lame, so
No.
I have to come up with something.
First off, my name is T Gang, honey.
I'm sure a lot of people consider themselves T gang, or B gang, or royal family, or whatever.
We don't do that over here. We don't do that, bro.
I don't like royal family.
We don't do that.
I think Queen and
Yes, it is.
We don't
I don't
do that.
like
We don't do
Queen.
I'm just
like
saying,
mafia.
cause I could be like, "What's up, T family?"
Yes, that's better.
Wait, Sam, did you say eat this cake up?
You can eat it, baby.
No, I got you a name.
What?
TT Mob.
TT Mob. I don't know. I thought of a lot of stuff. We gonna have to figure it out.
TT Mafia.
I thought you said TT Mom at first. I'm like, okay. But alright, y'all. Catch y'all later.
Oh my.
That sunlight though. Ooh, that glow.
Goodbye.
Now, that's the first person I seen actually come out with the food.
Boom.